grabe ang dinaanan ng TNT sa conference na to. To start the conference, 0-3 record nila. Wala si Jason Castro the entire conference. 6 games into the conference, nawala si Gambata. And then during the semifinals, nawala si Roger, nawala din si Kerry Williams. They had to win twice over Magnolia sa quarterfinals, twice to win disadvantage sila. They beat Magnolia in 2 games, each by 1 point. Grabe na lang nangyari dito sa TNT. My question to you, Coach, is destiny calling for a Grand Slam?
Well, I think we will only find that out at the end of this series. Like you said, the adversity that we went through is really a testament to the fighting spirit of the players. They just refuse to give up. Ayaw talaga bumigay. Maski na pwede na we could have called it a day and no one would take anything away from us. We won the last 2 championships, so even if we had given up, okay na rin yun. But they kept fighting. So, yung sinasabi namin palagi sa team namin, as long as you keep fighting, then you'll give yourself a chance. And now we're here, we've given ourselves a chance. We know napakalakas na kalaban namin with all of our injuries as well. But we will just do what we've been doing the whole conference, keep fighting and just trying to give ourselves a chance.
Coach Leostia of San Miguel Beer, you faced Coach Chot Reyes sa 2022-2023 Philippine Cup Finals. And that is the only time that you faced him in the finals. Nanalo ang San Miguel 4-3. This season, 2 beses na kayong katagpuan. In the Commissioner's Cup, tinalo nyo ng TNT. In the Philippine Cup Eliminations, tinalo na din kayo ulit ng TNT. Meaning to say, this season, wala pang panalo ang San Miguel over TNT. What do you think can happen in the finals? Will the trend reverse? Coach Leo.
Bagong lahat, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, and it's nice to be back in the finals, especially in the All-Filipino Cup. But regarding your question, sir, it's a really a different story because those things that they beat us, that's already gone in the elimination, and this is a different ball game, which is finals, and we know na everybody's thinking na San Miguel is really a mighty team, and I've heard that always among the commentator. But guys, the other team is equally talented. They are really strong, especially at Talking Tex. They won 2 championships in the last 2 conferences, and that experience is really something they can dwell on. But our team is we're here to redeem ourselves, especially in the last conference. We're not able to make it into the playoffs, and it's enough for the players to realize na it's hard to be at the bottom of the standing. That's why at the start of this conference, so we realizes that we need to work hard. And we've gone into basic fundamentals of basketball, both on offense and defense, to come up really competitive, and it pays off. And now we're in the finals against Talking Tex. Regarding their situation, there are so many injured players, and that's not really a question for me because the Mirbach, they are in the finals in spite of those adversaries. Guys, they are really competitive. And knowing that team, Talking Tex, they've been together for a while, and the last 2 conferences that's not experience for them to play well. Especially they're gunning for a special reward. So, but we're here not to stop their ambition, but we're here to win games and eventually win the championship.
Okay, maraming salamat, Coach Leo. Fighting words from the opposing coaches.
Napakto ng early preparation for the finals.
Yeah, gusto lang namin, we wanted to make sure that after our pre-finals dinner, alam na namin kung sino yung kalaban. That's why we wanted to come and watch the game together, start already our discussions with the players, the coaching staff. we didn't want that night to end or na maghiwa-hiwalay kami, hindi namin alam sino kalaban namin. So ginawa na namin 2 birds with 1 stone. We had the dinner with the bosses. At the same time, made it a preparatory occasion as well. So, yun. It was very serious. Everyone was watching during the game. But of course, sa mga itong player na to sa likod dito, wala namang seryoso dun sa mga there's a lot of joking and kidding around. But in the end, everybody knew at the end of the night who we were going to play.
Coach, another one. Yung panalo nyo against San Miguel, that was your first win, I believe. That game could have pwedeng di kayo umabot dito, or pwedeng kayo umabot, or whatever. How crucial was that turning things around and reaching this stage?
We actually talked about it among ourselves, the coaching staff, after that game when we won. That was our first win in 4 games. And we thought that it was a crucial win for us because if we had dropped it, magiging 0-4, napakahirap na. So, you're right, for us it was a turning point and hopefully we can continue to find ways to compete against San Miguel. But we all know, like Coach Leo said, and most of the players said, in the finals it's a different game. What happened in the elimination round, no longer matters much kasi iba naman na ito.
Coach, thank you. Coach Leo, you're back in the finals after, syempre, nagkaroon ng coaching change, naging consultant ka, you won the championship with Coach George ngayon, nakabalik ka as head coach of San Miguel Beer. May special meaning ba sa'yo considering what happened and also yung last conference, medyo hindi tayo nag-playoffs?
It's nothing special for me, but I'm so happy to be back as a head coach, because at that time I'm still involved in running the system of the San Miguel before, and I think it helps a lot for me, because I realized something I didn't know when I'm running the team. And it's a good help, and especially I was able to recover from my health, although I never got sick, but fatigue is really set in during that run from 2015 to 2023. It's really hard, and we experienced the 2021 pandemic. It's really giving us a toll. And I'm so grateful it happened for me, and I'll be back as a head coach. And thanks for the management, especially Coach Al and the boss, RSA, for giving for trusting me. And I don't want this opportunity to be put into waste. And we're so happy we're back in the finals of the All Filipino, which a lot of people thinking this is our conference, but it takes a lot of hard work for anyone, not only the coaching staff, the management, the players. They worked really hard in the last 4 months for us to realize na we're here to win another championship.
Sure. Yeah, medyo may motivation ba to banish yung post ng 2011 dun sa Grand Slam against San Miguel ba?
Nalimutan ko naman. Believe it or not, and people, hindi ko talaga inisip yung Grand Slam. Even up to now, when I come to coach, I coach what's in front of me. Even in our team discussions, we really never talk about winning a championship. We talk about being the hardest working, best conditioned team. If we do that, then the winning will follow. So yun ang approach ko. So I'll just do my best, take it every game, every conference, and before we know it, we're here. So hindi ko talaga iniisip. So to answer your question, 2011 is really ancient history for me. It's not even in my consciousness. This tournament, this finals is going to be nice to win on its own merits, not because of any past experience.